Hey, what's up? How you doing? Hope all is well. So this is Tony from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. We have a 2020 Mazda Miata that was covered in PPF as soon as the guy bought it. It's 6 years old, been on the car, and the mirrors are cracking. The film is cracking. You can see it. So we're going to show you how to remove the PPF. I've actually never removed 6-year-old PPF before, but if you heat it with a heat gun or a hair dryer, it normally does it. You don't want to go too hot because you're going to melt the glue and the glue is going to stick on the mirror. So you just want to get it nice and warm, to maybe about 90s in that area, and remove the film. And then what we're going to do is put some compound on it, some glaze on it, and see how it looks. So hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching, share, subscribe, like the video, comment down below, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks. This 2020 Miata is actually fully covered in PPF, the whole car, but if you look on the mirrors here, it's cracking and doesn't look that great, right? It did save it from some of these scuff marks, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Check out some of these scuff marks there, but it just makes it look really bad, and we're gonna take care of the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and heat this thing very lightly with a heat gun, just so the film can peel off. I don't know what it's gonna look like under here. I assume it should be pretty nice. So you guys can use a hair dryer, right, or a heat gun. I got a professional heat gun here, but we're just gonna heat it. We're not gonna heat it too much, and we're gonna try to get this soft so we can peel it off. So let's go ahead and try it. Definitely is splitting where we had this cracking, but it is coming off. Coming off really well, actually. Yep, you definitely need to heat it. Pretty much it. Came out really nice. This leftover here is just a little bit of glue. But as you can see, no scratches. I'm gonna get maybe I'll get some light reducer or something, and I'll just take this glue off. That's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and finish it up. Now what I'll do is just put a light coat of glaze compound on it and wipe it off. Let's try that. 3M compound. 06064, just a little bit. Next up, swirl mark remover. Perfect it. Looks really nice. Let's look at the other side. You can see how rough the other side looked. So basically a little harder in these areas to take out because it was all cracked, but it does all come out, and the paint underneath is nice. And keep in mind, this PPF has been on this car since 2020. So the guy bought it brand new, put the PPF immediately a week after he purchased it. He did the whole car, as I mentioned. And you can see it does come off nicely, and now we have the original paint underneath. And it looks really good. So yeah, no problem in taking off PPF after 6 years of application. If we wanted to, we can take off the PPF on the rest of the car. I might do parts of the back just to get it off of there. But I mean, it is protecting the paint. The mirrors look a lot better now. And yeah, so thanks for watching the video. To learn more about auto, body, and paint, check out LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. I show you how to customize your cars, your projects, make money, estimate, do jobs, learn a skill set so you can save thousands of dollars by doing jobs yourself, put on body kits, complete color paint jobs, whatever you want to do. So again, it's Tony from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, give a like, give a comment down below, and I'll see you soon. Thanks, bye.